I've been with Stemilt for about 15 years.
I've been with Stemilt for 28 years. We pack apples year round, we pack cherries in the summer, and we also do fall packing with pears.
All right, so here we are in a Honeycrisp planting. There's a platform behind me here harvesting the top half of the tree. Stemilt's a great place. It's all about family. We know we all need to work hard, and we're here to do that.
So this is the Stemilt Family Clinic. It's located at our Euclid Street facility in Wenatchee. The service that they're providing is free primary health care to all of our employees and their dependents as well.
The respect that's given to me and that we try to give to the workers, all the way down to the guys running out here picking the fruit, it's a really comfortable environment to be in.